This video explores the transformative potential of generative AI. When we speak about the transformative potential of generative AI, we're referring to the profound impact that AI systems, specifically generative models, can have on various aspects of society, the economy, and technology. Let's explore the implications of generative AI on system hacking, including personalized spear phishing messages, poisoning information in a system, breach of advanced cybersecurity software, and the spread of misinformation or malicious content. Recall that personalized spear phishing messages are tailored to the recipient, making them appear more convincing. These messages often use personal information about the recipient, like their name, their job title, or personal interests, making them seem more legitimate. The goal of personalized spear phishing is to trick the recipient into revealing sensitive information or clicking on a malicious link. Because these messages are tailored to the recipient, they can be more difficult to detect than traditional phishing messages. Here are some key points on how generative AI and prompt engineering can be used to generate personalized spear phishing messages. Hackers can use generative AI tools, such as ChatGPT, to generate human-like text tailored to the recipient. Prompt engineering can help the hacker craft the optimal textual input for the AI system, selecting the appropriate words, phrases, sentence structures, and punctuation to make the message seem more legitimate. By using generative AI and prompt engineering, hackers can generate personalized spear phishing messages that can fool even well-trained individuals, increasing the success rate of phishing attacks. To mitigate the risks of personalized spear phishing attacks, businesses need to equip their IT teams with tools that can detect AI-generated content and train employees on the latest cybersecurity awareness and prevention skills. Okay, so poisoning. Poisoning involves introducing misleading information in a system. For example, hackers might use AI to poison information in a financial system, creating fake stock portfolios or transactions that can cause financial damage. How can generative AI and prompt engineering be used by hackers to poison information in a system? Hackers can generate AI tools to generate false or misleading data that can be introduced into a system to corrupt or manipulate its outputs. Hackers can carefully engineer prompts that help the AI make the generated data seem more legitimate. By corrupting or manipulating a system's outputs, hackers can cause harm or gain some kind of advantage. Okay, so a breach of advanced cybersecurity software means that hackers or other malicious actors were successful in bypassing or overcoming security measures put in place by a business to protect its systems and data. The implications of using generative AI in this pursuit is simply that attacks will evolve and become more challenging and sophisticated. Hackers can use AI to design evasion techniques that bypass traditional security measures. By training models on large data sets, they can generate malicious code or payloads that can evade detection. Using automated tools, hackers can scan software or networks to identify vulnerabilities. These tools use various techniques like fuzzing or static code analysis to discover weaknesses. Social engineering typically plays some role in many successful breaches, and generative AI has had an immediate impact with its powerful content generation capabilities. Generative AI can help find and exploit zero-day vulnerabilities by analyzing large amounts of code and identifying weak points, accelerating the discovery and execution of zero-day exploits. Advanced persistent threats often involve a combination of techniques, including reconnaissance, malware propagation, lateral movement, and data exfiltration. Hackers could use AI-based algorithms to automate some stages of the attack to help make it more efficient and effective.